Hi, and welcome to this quick little video that answers a number of questions that people have about digitals. As the members on the group will know, Kerry Betts kindly creates and shares digital images all the time for us to use free of charge, but people are having difficulty downloading them from or getting them off the Facebook website and putting them into Word so that they can resize them. So we're just going to quickly go through that. It won't take very long. As you can see on the screen already, we have the Miss Paintlock Junk Journal group on Facebook, and the easiest way to find the ones that she does is to go down to the little microscope thing, click on that, and just type in Kerry, Cerie, and you'll see that Kerry Betts comes up. If you click on that, it will bring up all the things that she put on there, and of course there you are, the very first one. She's made some whale tail tags for us, and if we scroll down, there's some other, I don't know what you'd call them. There's a little January calendar that she made for us, and there's some more tags with the holes in. So if we go to the top one, all you need to do is she puts them on as Jpegs, so the only thing we need to do first is just to right click, and you'll see that it comes up as save image as. There, click on that. I'm using this on Chrome on a MacBook, but it should be fairly similar if you're using a PC. As you can see there, it says save to where downloads. That's the long title of the JPEG, but we'll save that to downloads. Then the next thing we need to do is go and open up Word. Where are we? There. And that's, as you can see, is already opened on a blank page, and then we just need to insert that. So you can either go to Insert, Pictures, from File, negotiate to the downloads, and it's the last one today that we downloaded. Alternatively, you could open up Finder or Explorer and just drag and drop it in, but we'll insert that now. And there we go. So that's now got those images into Word. The first thing you need to do with images in Word is to unlock them from the page. At the moment, if you try and move it, it just snaps back in place. So again, if you right click, go down to where it says wrap text and put it in front of text, you'll then find that you can move it. It's now floating above the page, so you can move it to wherever you want to. Up on the top right, you'll see there's a box there that's got the height and the width of the entire page. So you could alter those and make it bigger or smaller, but the easiest thing to do is just to grab a corner, drag it down, get to the right size that you want, and then just print that out. Now you may only want those, say, those top four. So the next step really is to click on it again, go up there, the same area where it says crop, click on crop, and you'll now see that you've got some solid corners and ones in the middle. Now you can move those down or up and drag the bottom up to there, the top down to there, and then if you hit enter, that entire image is still there, but the only bit you'll be able to see is those top four. And again, you could resize them afterwards, up or down. You could right click and copy and paste if you wanted more versions of the same. If you wanted to make the most of your paper, fill it up, and then you just print it as normal. So there we go. Now the next last step is if you go to the top, File, Save As, and then if you save that as whatever you want, to call it whale tail music tags or whatever, then you'll always have that. Now an important thing to remember with words, they have a docx or just the document, DOC. This new format, which has been around for probably a decade or more now, is if you save it in the docx, it saves all that formatting that you've just done. So if you then subsequently open it up again, you can revert back to the original image that you had. If you save it as a doc, it's fixed for life. So always save it as a docx if you ever think you want to go back and save anything. And there we go, that's it really. That's got them off the website, it's put them into Word, resized it, cropped it, and you just print it out, and that's it. That's a very nice short little video. Thank you very much. I shall share this later as a standalone video on YouTube, so people that aren't watching the live can use it. Of course, if you've got any problems, you know where to call. Bye for now. Back to Miss P.